Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how to get to the recycle bin on Facebook in 2025. With Facebook's ongoing updates, managing your deleted content has never been easier or more secure. Whether you're trying to recover a cherished photo or just cleaning up your account, this feature is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or mobile app. It's the same process for both in 2025. Start by heading to your profile page. You can do this by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top right corner. Once there, look for the gear icon or Settings and Privacy option, usually found in the drop-down menu. Next, tap or click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Your Facebook Information section. This is where things get exciting. Facebook has introduced a dedicated Recycle Bin tab in their 2025 update, powered by AI to help you manage deleted items more efficiently. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new interface that lists all your recently deleted posts, photos, messages, and more. Now, here's how it works. Items in the recycle bin are held for up to 30 days before they're permanently deleted, giving you a safety net. To recover something, simply select the item and hit the Restore button. If you want to delete it forever, choose Permanently Delete. Pro tip: use the search bar in the recycle bin to quickly find specific items. It's a huge time saver with all the AI enhancements. One more thing. If you're on mobile, the process is just as smooth. Open the Facebook app, go to your profile, and follow the same steps through the menu. Remember, this feature might vary slightly based on your region or account settings, so double-check if you run into any issues. There you have it. Accessing the recycle bin on Facebook in 2025 is straightforward and user-friendly. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next guide.